Hi, my name's Sam Jones. I'm the Assistant Vice-Chancellor here at the university, and this is a video just to say a really big warm welcome back to campus life. We cannot wait to see you all here and have the vibrant community that we all love back on campus. This is just a short video to outline a couple of things that it's important for you to know about the next academic year. So just like the rest of life, while we're back to normal, there are a few things we're asking everybody to do to help keep our community safe. Firstly, before you arrive at university, we encourage you to take a lateral flow test and to continue getting tested twice a week while you're here. Details of how to get a test are available below. The other thing is that we know that some people want to continue to keep socially distant, so we've got these yellow lanyards that anybody can wear, and it just means we know those people that want to just keep a distance. These are available to collect from the main reception on the King Alfred Quarter. We also strongly encourage you all to get double vaccinated before you come back. On the 13th of September, here on campus, we'll be hosting a pop-up vaccination centre, and we really do urge you to come along if you've not had your vaccinations. We're really pleased to be operating a business as usual timetable this semester. This means that the majority of your teaching will be face-to-face on campus, unless you're on a distance learning course. Thanks to the feedback we had from students, we will be continuing to record teaching sessions. These will be hosted on Canvas, and it means you can dip back in and re-watch things throughout the semester. You are still expected to attend in person, and you'll need to register your attendance using the university app. We do encourage you to continue wearing face covering, particularly in crowded spaces like going in and out of lectures or on stairwells. So all that's left to say is how much we're looking forward to welcoming you back to campus soon. Do keep an eye out for your weekly email updates and the intranet for the latest information about what's happening on campus. Together we can do this and make this a really safe and enjoyable semester.